Hey everyone, today we're going to show you how to format your SD card and show you where it is in the settings on your new GoPro Hero Black 8. So check it out. Hey everyone, it's Ken here from Northern Viking Everyday, and if you are new to this channel, it is all about reviews and how-tos, so make sure you click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on upcoming videos. I just picked up my brand new GoPro Hero Black 8, and today we're going to show you how to format your SD card in the camera. We'll show you where the setting's located, so let's get right into it. So I've got my GoPro Hero Black 8 loaded up, and when I swipe up here, you can see I've got a whole bunch of pictures in here. And rather than deleting these one by one or mass selecting them, we're going to just format the micro SD card within the GoPro. So from the main menu, what we're going to do is swipe down, and this is going to open up a menu system, and we're looking for the option here in the middle, the big oval that says Preferences. Go ahead and select on that, and then you can swipe up, and it's going to bring you to the bottom of this menu, and we're looking for the option here that says Reset. You can go ahead and click on that Reset button, and here there's a few different options. Format SD cards right at the top, but there's Factory Reset, Reset Camera Tips, and Reset Presets. But go ahead and click on Format SD Card, and it's kind of hard to see here. Delete all files and reformat your SD card. Just click on Format, and it's going to start formatting that SD card for you. And it is all done. Let's just go out and make sure that the pictures and video are all gone. So you can swipe up from the bottom, and there is no media. And this process to format your SD card is that simple. So I hope this video helped you out in finding the setting to format your SD card on your GoPro Hero Black 8. If it did, make sure to smash that like button. Also remember to subscribe to Northern Viking Everyday because I've got tons of videos coming up that I'd love to share with you. Thanks for watching and take care.